Namaste. Today I am going to present in Raga Madhyamavati a composition by Muthuswami Dikshitar, Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha. This is a very unique composition that Dikshitar has composed about the Padmanabha of Kerala. So in the Anupallavi it says, Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa. So it is a very unique composition by Muthuswami Dikshitar, and as you all know, Madhyamavati, it's a janyam of Kharahara Priya, the 22nd Melakarta Raga. So first we have the Arohanam Avarohanam, thereafter we have the composition. Sare ma pani sa Sani pamare sa Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Paripalaya mam Pangajanabha Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Paripalaya mam Pangajanabha Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Paripalaya mam Pangajanabha Pannaga Shayana. Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa Srinivasa Chidananda Vilasa Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa Srinivasa Chidananda Vilasa Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Paripalaya mam Pangajanabha Pannaga Shayana.